Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 6 snacks that you can make in less than 5 minutes using only 3 ingredients. They are so simple to make, healthy, quick and so tasty. And if you're a snacker like me, these are some great healthy alternatives to sugar-loaded, high calories, bad for your teeth snacks. So without further ado, let's start with this video. So for the rice cake snack, all we need are some rice cakes. These are gluten-free, some smooth peanut butter, and some blueberries. And you're just going to spread some peanut butter over the top quite thickly, but you can adjust this however you like. So this rice cake combination is full of protein and fiber, and this ensures to keep you full for some time. And I'm just adding some blueberries on top, and then the blueberries are packed with antioxidants, so it's a great snack overall. And voila, this is how it's supposed to look like. So for the roasted chickpeas, you're going to need a can of chickpeas, smoked paprika and some garlic salt, or just ordinary salt. I'm going to take the chickpeas and rinse and dry them off. And you can also use a paper towel for this. So I'm going to transfer them into a glass bowl. And you're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix it, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. And I usually like to add a bit more, so I just go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon. And you're just going to add some salt. And then you're going to line a baking tray with parchment paper, and you're just going to transfer the chickpeas onto it. And that's ready for the oven for around 40 minutes. And this is how they're supposed to look like. Crispy and so tasty. So for this next snack, you're going to need a pepper, cucumber and some hummus. And I just bought my hummus because this is all about making it simple for you, but you can also make a homemade one. And all I'm going to do is cutting my veg. You can cut it however you like, and then you just put the dip next to it, and this makes a great tasting snack. And that's all there is to the snack. So for our fruit bowl, we're going to need an apple, optional flaxseed that you can add later on, and some cashew butter. I love cashew butter, but you can also use almond butter or peanut butter. I'm just going to cut this apple with this cutter, and it cuts the apples so perfectly. And I'm just going to transfer them to a cereal bowl. This next snack, we're going to need some dates, peanut butter, and optional to add some flaxseed again. Again, you can use some cashew butter or almond butter, however you like. And I'm just going to take some dates and cut them in the middle, just very gently. And once you have a hole like this, you can just add some peanut butter. Dates are a great source of various vitamins and minerals. They contain calcium, iron, potassium and zinc. And the peanut butter adds protein, so you'll also feel full as well. And then we have the tortilla wraps, and for this all you need is some tortilla wraps and some smoked paprika. And I'm just going to cut the wraps into triangles. And transfer them onto a baking tray. There's no parchment paper needed. And I'm just going to sprinkle some smoked paprika on top of it. And you add a bit of olive oil as well as some garlic salt. And here you can actually see what happened to me first time I tried to make this recipe. And lastly, I would just like to recommend some of my favorite snacks. So I have these lentil chips, and we bought them from Costco. It's gluten-free and vegan, and they taste delicious. And then we have the Aussie Bites, so many different seeds, types of seeds are found in them, and they're so delicious with a cup of tea. And the original cheese crackers. These are so nice, have a cheesy taste, and some mixed nuts jar. I used to take this with me to work and it's so handy. And that's all for today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and gained some inspiration, and would love for you to subscribe and comment and like. Thanks for watching, bye!